लेटर ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन है प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर कारीना जहानी की तरफ से अपसाला यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ स्वीडन की तरफ से जो लेटर मौसूल हुआ है, इसको पढ़ के सुनाने के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी याहिया रेकी से कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ लाएं।
Thank you very much. Once again, I've got a chance to read a letter from Professor Karina Jahani, Uppsala University, Sweden. Dear participant in the 20 years celebration of monthly Baluchi Zind, dear guests of honor, dear lords of Baluchi language, many thanks for giving me the opportunity to share a few words on this festive occasion. A couple of days ago, on 16 December, it was 30 years since I defended my PhD thesis with the title Standardization and Orthography in the Baluchi Language. That book was a description of attempts at creating standard language with a unified orthography for Baluchi. This was before the starting point of Baluchi Zind. Just yesterday, on 20 December, I got in my hand the second book I have so far written without any co-author. I have written several articles without co-author, of course, and also a number of books with co-authors. Most of my research during these 30 years have indeed been on Baluchi, but about the book that was just published, its title is a Grammar of Modern Standard Baluchi. It is a book that describes a standard written language with a coherent orthography in Roman and Arabic script, mainly based on a variant of Baluchi spoken from Para, Nikshahar and Sabaz in western Balochistan throughout the Kech Valley up to Tubat in eastern Balochistan, but which also incorporates elements from other dialects that have been lost in these dialects. During my 30 years as a researcher on Baluchi, many things have happened. Many of the great names in the history of the development of Baluchi as a literary language have left us, but many new young talented language activists have filled their empty places. Some journals in Baluchi have been closed down, but some new ones, such as monthly Baluchi Zind, have emerged. What fills me with great hope of a bright future for Baluchi is the large number of young Baloch who are well educated and eager to read and write in their own language on both sides of the border that divides Balochistan between Iran and Pakistan. My mentor and Baloch father, Abdullajan Jamaldini, whose memory I cherish with great love, felt that mother tongue education in the schools was a necessary prerequisite for Balochi to emerge as a strong and vital written language. And I cannot but agree with him. Bodha here is also a prerequisite for mother tongue education, namely a standard written language with clear and simple rules that can be learned by mother tongue speakers without first acquiring profound knowledge of grammar. A person never needs to know the grammatical rules for his or her mother tongue. It just comes natural to speak it correctly. So a written language that has a chance to penetrate to the grassroots needs to be based on pronunciation rather than on grammatical rules. By appearing regularly and by maintaining a high quality both in form and contents, Monthly Baluchi Zind has been one of the torches that are showing the way ahead for Baluchi. We hope that this torch will continue burning stronger and stronger in the coming days and years as we all work towards the goal of strengthening Baluchi as a written language and of having Baluchi mother tongue education in the schools throughout Balochistan. Thank you very much.
बलूची